Hello YouTube! I hope you're having a fabulous 4th of July. This is a little video of the fireworks we got. First off, we got some aerials. Some of these I got from another YouTuber I follow. I'll put the link in the description. He recommended them. But this one is Shocking Pink. And then we have Hysteria and Decibel and Blood Diamond and Magician, and those are the ones that he recommended. And then I got some of my own. This one's called Color Fish. And then we got Shattered Rainbow. And then this one's called Shocker. And the cool thing about this one is they have like 4 different ones, but they're all the same firework, but they do different colors. So like this one would be green, and this one turns out blue. And we also got Twisted and Hot Topic and Garden in the Spring. And this one looks kind of cool. It's called Kaleidoscope. I hope it turns out very colorful. And Bomb Chickada Bomb. And then another Garden in the Spring. I guess I got 2 of those. And I got some more in here. This side is all like fountains, lovely fishes, bubble purple gold, witchcraft, some little spinners, some screamers, a bunch of smoke bombs and crackle bombs, some poppets, some sparklers. That's about it. Hope you like it. Definitely go check out MJB. Hope you enjoyed this video.